Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to know when the green beans are ready to harvest. Here's a clip from the show. All right, we're going to get started here in the garden, and the first thing I want to show you is, ta-da, green beans. So this green bean is ready to pick, so I will show you. Pick that off right there. You just push your thumb right through that stem, and that pops that off. So what I'm looking for when I'm picking my green beans is how fat is the bean. So if you look at this one, we'll do a comparison here. This one's not quite ready to pick yet, and you can see that it's thinner. We're looking for this girth, how big around this green bean is. So this one's ready to go. And if you'll go by how fat it is as opposed to how long it is, you will catch beans that didn't pollinate very well and still be able to get those out of the garden when they actually taste good. So this clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week 11. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.